stupidity to pursue a career as a teacher, as a soldier, as a doctor, as an engineer, as a public service worker? Is it stupid to pursue these careers when there are so many easy ways to make money as demonstrated by those who are in power? So what we need is some kind of a moral force. And at the moment what we are seeing is completely shameful, and it really breaks your heart.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar said throwing bundles of notes by Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco for gambling is indication of high-level corruption in Congress-led Digambar Kamath government.
If casino is impacting minister to this level, 5 of the 12 ministers are playing, you can understand how much it is impacting others. They are government servants who are playing, and for playing they will start corruption afterwards, or they will loot the state. They do play. Clear sort of a license to everyone to go and play. The common man does not feel anything wrong because they said VIPs are doing it, so why should I not? There is nothing, no feel of guilt left after that. In the way he plays it, it's a blatant, what I'll say is, it's a brash money power display.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar and Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Congress MLAs Pandurang Madkaikar and Victoria Fernandez have threatened to agitate if the government doesn't change its decision of dumping garbage at Baigini. They also informed that they would take the matter to Sonia Gandhi.
The Baingini site, which is selected to dump the garbage, is getting more controversial. The villagers of Old Goa, Sarpanch and Panch members along with Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez, Kumarjua MLA Pandurang Madkaikar, member of Shri Sampraday Maruti Nasnodkar, convener of Old Goa Action Committee Krishna Kuttikar, Father Cosiso De Silva were present for the meet which was held at Old Goa on Sunday to oppose the project. Pandurang Madkaikar said that they have plans to set up an educational zone at Baingini and they cannot allow garbage to be dumped.
जसो आमी फाटल्या दिसांनी विधानसभेचेर मोर्चा घाल्लो, हजारांनी लोक जमलेले थंयसर, आमकां कांय लोकांक पुलिशेन भितर उडयले, तरी सुद्दां आमी भियेले ना. म्हाका दिसता परतून एकदां तीच गजाल करपाची गरज आसा आनी फुडें आमकां तें करचें पडटलें. जातालें आमकां दिल्लीक वचोन ह्या विशयाचेर सिरियसली घेवचें पडटलें आनी हो विशय जो आसा तो आमचो एकदांचो सोंपोवचो पडटलो. आनी सगळ्यान आयज म्हाका दिसता एक मतान आमी एक निर्णय घेवंक जाय की 2 गोश्टी. एक पयलो निर्णय की ही जागा जी एक्वायर केल्ली आहा सरकारान 1,73,000 जी जागा गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर जी एक्वायर केल्ली आसा ती जागा इंडस्ट्रियल झोन तेंच्यांनी जो मागलो आसा तेजो आमी निशेध करता आनी आमी सगळे एक मतान ही जागा हांगा जी आसा ती एड्युकेशनल किंवा रिक्रिएशन झोन करचो अशें आमी सगळ्यांनी एक थारावन मागणी करची. आनी दुसरी म्हटल्यार जो तेंच्यांनी हें केल्लो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंटा प्लांटा खातीर हांगा जो प्रपोजल घातलेलो तो रिजेक्ट करपा खातीर आमी सगळ्या गांवच्या लोकांनी हांगा निर्णय घेवपाची गरज आसा.
Victoria Fernandez said that they would not allow garbage dumping at Baingini.
It has a good heritage bari asa, environment आणि थंय एड्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आसा, थंय सगळ्या धर्माचे कॅथिड्रल मठ सगळे धर्माचे लोक आसा आणि हांगा ते तुम्ही डिस्ट्रॉय करनाका म्हणून आमी सांगला तांकां. तरी पासून ते आतां बांगणी म्हणटा. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड. लाखांनी आमी हजारांनी लाखांनी लोक आयलो पणजे. एसेंब्लीन आमी हो इशू घेतलो तेन्ना एसेंब्लीन ताणें हाऊस कमिटी केली आनी ती हाऊस कमिटी सिलेक्ट करून गेली जागे. थंय जागे सुद्दां सिलेक्ट केले कोलवाले आनी अनेक कडेन जागे करून सुद्दां ते अजून बांगणी म्हणटा. आय कॅनॉट अंडरस्टँड वाय. हांव मागता तांचे कडेन की परते हांवें मागला परते सांगला आनी आतांय हांवें सांगतली. मडकयकार ऑल ऑफ अस वील टेल अँड वी वील नॉट अलाव बांगणी हांगा गार्बेज हाडून ही सुवात पवित्र आसा ती डिस्ट्रॉय करपाक. वील नेवर डू. वील नेवर अलाव दॅट. एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ आवर लायफ्स वी वील नॉट अलाव.
Our video journalist at Old Goa, Sunny Narvekar.
Environmentalist and Big Goenka 2009 Rajendra Kerkar returned the Gera Green Award on 18 June. He said that he doesn't want an award from a builder. This honor was conferred to him by the Gera Group during Big Goenka Award function on 6th June.
The big Goikar of 2000, Naik Rajendra Kerkar, on Revolution Day of Goa, written back the Gera Green Award to the Gera Group. He said that he doesn't want an award from builders as they ruin the environment of the state.
हो जो पुरस्कार असा तो एका बिल्डर्स किंवा पर्यावरणाचो विध्वंस करपी आणि गोंयच्या आमच्या अस्तित्वाक धोको निर्माण करपी अशा एका एजन्सीन तो पुरस्कार जो आसा ते तेका पाठबळ दिल्लें आसा हाच्या संदर्भात म्हाका कांय कल्पना नासली पूण जेन्ना इंटरनेटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमचे जे वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांतले मित्र आसा त्यांनी म्हाका ह्या गेरा डेव्हलपराच्या संदर्भात कल्पना दिली तेन्ना म्हाका कळून येयलें की आमच्या गोंयचे अस्तित्व राखतलो जाल्यार असल्या संस्थांचे पुरस्कार हे परते करपाकूच जाय.
When our reporter tried to find out whether returning the award was just a publicity stunt, Kerkar replied,
जे आसा ह्या पब्लिसिटीचे म्हाजो अजिबातूच ह्या हेतून इच्छा येना म्हाका पब्लिसिटीची. आता ह्या संदर्भातली जी म्हायती आसा म्हणजे हांवें पुरस्कार परतो केलो ही म्हायती हांवें कोणाक तशी अधिकृत रित्या दिवंक नासली पूण जेन्ना त्या संस्थे कडेन हांवें पुरस्कार दिलो थंयच्यानूच ह्या संदर्भातली म्हायती जी आसा ही म्हायती पत्रकारा पर्यंत पावल्ली आसा आणि एकंदर आयज पर्यंत जे काम करता हांव त्या कामा फाटल्यान प्रसिद्धी किंवा त्याच्या फाटल्यान म्हाका नांव मेळचें किंवा म्हाका कोणी तरी बरो म्हणचो ही भावना ना.
our reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Nai Disha Jet King, the Computer Hardware and Networking Institute, had organized a career guidance workshop for Goan students on Saturday at Panji. Jet King is planning to meet the requirements of hardware and networking engineers in the market. More than 500 students from North Goa participated in this workshop.
The aim of this seminar was to educate the youth about the importance of learning hardware and networking. The seminar also focused upon opportunities in IT sector. Prominent people from this field had sessions and presentations. Earlier, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik inaugurated the workshop. Proprietor of Jet King Institute, Gurudas Natekar, briefed more about their plans.
As per NASSCOM's report, for 24 students, one engineer is required, and for this 1,50,000 students, minimum 6,000 students for engineers are required to give the services. We are giving ideas to students to choose the career. Mainly we are focusing on the IT industries, which are the positive points, which are the availability for the students to get the jobs or to shine. So that our main intention is to give idea for to the students of IT.
Natekar further said that there is no recession in IT industry.
Now you know the recession is going on, but in IT industry there is no recession. NASSCOM says for last 12 years, every year 25% is growth in every IT industry. This is a very, very positive side to select the IT jobs or IT career.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi for Prudent Media.
Stay tuned for more news from sports,